Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys are having a nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you upload your music to Spotify. So to upload your music, if you're famous enough or if you have some musics on your own, you can just upload it by your distribution company. Your distribution company will automatically upload music to Spotify. But if you want to upload your private music to Spotify, you can just do it by clicking the top left your profile icon at first. Now click on settings and privacy. Now just scroll down and here you can see there is option which is local files, and under that here you will see this option show audio files from this device. Just turn on this option, and after turning this option on, click the bottom last your library. Now just refresh your library once. And after refreshing your library once, here you can see your local files are here. Now just click on your local files and all of your local songs are here. So guys, that's how you can upload music to Spotify. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.